In today's video, I'll show you how to create interactive voice experiences with ElevenLabs so you can build AI-powered systems that respond naturally to users in real time. If you're new to interactive voice, think of it as a conversation flow where the user speaks or types something, the system understands it, and then replies back using a natural-sounding AI voice. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the Developer Tools or Conversational Features section. This is where you'll set up the foundation for your interactive voice system. Next, create a new project and define what your voice experience will do. It could be a virtual assistant, a learning tool, a customer support agent, or even a storytelling companion. Now connect your application logic. This is the part that decides how the system responds to user input. ElevenLabs will handle converting those responses into spoken audio. After that, choose a voice for your interactive experience. Pick a tone that matches your use case, such as calm for support, expressive for storytelling, or neutral for general assistance. Once everything is set up, test the system by sending sample inputs. Listen carefully to how the AI responds and make sure the voice feels natural and consistent. If the interaction feels off, refine your prompts, adjust your response logic, or try a different voice until the experience feels smooth and engaging. You can also enhance your setup by adding features like memory, multiple voice personalities, or different responses based on user intent. Before going live, run several tests to ensure the conversation flows naturally and the audio output remains clear and reliable. And that's how you create interactive voice experiences with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.